y'all, so we're just going to get right into this tutorial. So I'm going to start with my Zulu palette, and basically I'm packing on the yellow eyeshadow, which is really going to be the foundation of my look today. So basically you'll see me just going back and forth, blending a lot throughout this tutorial. And now I'm just going to go in with the brown, still in the Zulu palette, just to kind of warm up the look and give it some more depth. Of course, do both eyes. Alright y'all, so next I'm going in with my Magic Mini palette. And I'm going in with like this warm orange coral color. I have another white hair brush and it's more precise. And I'm just really going in right there in my crease, going back and forth, blending it out. Again, just to really warm up my look. The more you pack on eyeshadows, the more vibrant your look is going to be. So now I'm going back in with some yellow, and I hope this isn't annoying you guys, but I'll be going back and forth. My yellow kind of got washed out, and I wanted to make sure it stayed in the center, but also kind of brush up towards my eyebrows. So I just went back in with some more yellow. Now for everybody's favorite part, I'm kind of cutting the eye. It's not a cut crease, or I'm not sure, maybe, I don't know, but I'm just cutting the eye with some white concealer, basically from Makeup Revolution. And this is just going to really make the eyeshadow, it's a loose pigment actually that I'm going to pack onto this. It's just going to make it pop. So what I realized as well, you guys, when you're doing this, the more product you have on this brush, the easier it is to cut the eye. My other eye actually took me a little longer, and I don't know, I actually did this look on a whim and recorded it. But the more you pack on there, the easier it will be, so it's not too hard to drag the product. Alright y'all, so as you can kind of see here, I had already started packing on the loose pigment shadow. I have to find the name of it, I forgot, but here I already packed it. I actually, with a bigger packing brush. So now I'm just actually going in with a smaller, more precise brush, so it can kind of, you know, make sure it stays centered and not get too messy. Alright y'all, sorry about the lighting. It kind of changed. It's like an overcast and blah, 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 blah. But, so I'm not going to go too in depth because my foundation routine pretty much stays the same. But here I did try the new Fenty Hydrating Foundation, and y'all, bomb. So it felt really good on my skin and it lasts throughout the day, so that's a plus. So like I said, everything for me pretty much stays the same unless I run out of product or something I really want to try. But next I go in with the Kevin Kwan Skin Enhancing Concealer. This stuff is amazing, you guys. It looks so flawless once it's blended out, especially after it's set. It looks just like second skin. It is pretty pricey, but actually I got mine on a discount, but it's like 50 bucks for this concealer, but it's so worth it. It's so creamy and it moves easy and it will last you a very long time. I think I've already had mine a year now. So here I am just setting my face. I tried a new product today, another one as well, which is the Huda Beauty setting powder in banana, and I really like it. It's finely milled and I've been wearing it, and I mean, it's pretty much just as good as the Laura Mercier translucent powder that I wear. I don't oil up a lot throughout the day. I don't really have to bake because I get really dry, so I'm loving that so far as well. Next I just went in with like a little J-Cat bronzer or whatever you want to call it. I went in with that, and I just make sure you guys, you hit that jawbone and you brush up. And this is not the best of me blending right now, but I just give you guys a glimpse of what I do. Like I said, it's pretty much the same. I don't know if you guys are getting bored with, you know, me using the same products. I'm sorry, but I try to switch it up. So I just go in and basically contour my face, bronze my face. I know they say they're two different things, but I go in and warm up my face, okay? Next, I go in with a highlighter, and I just brush it down on my nose. I kind of contour my nose already. I don't know if you guys can see it. I just probably use, knowing me, I use just like some excess powder on the brush and just kind of went down on my nose. Not hella snatch. I don't need a super snatch nose, but I just go in and highlight my nose, highlight my lid, and I like to highlight my chin, and then I'll go in and kind of brush along my cheekbones as well. So now I'm lining my lips. This is my favorite part because it means I'm almost done. I've already applied my lashes, just some beauty supply store lashes, and I have set my spray with the Morphe brush continuous spray. And now I'm going in with some NYX butter gloss, and I want to say chocolate crepe, and I'm just going in and juicing up these lips. Okay, and the light kind of changed again, you guys, so this is a natural light. I don't have any extra lights on in my house right now. So that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe.